Welcome to In Jamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving south on Bravo Street in St. Ann's Bay towards St. Ann's Bay Town Centre. Turning onto Park Avenue, and if we had continued straight, then the road would take us to St. Ann's Bay Town Centre. Park Avenue begins. Park Avenue ends. Going right will take you west onto Main Street towards the town centre, and going left will take you east onto Windsor Road towards Jaxall, Malmy Bay and the Ocherius. Please remember to subscribe to In Jamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.